Okay, so here's the handles to the jump rope. You can see here it moves seamlessly. The handles are really nice, lightweight. You don't have any problems with it getting tangled or with it twisting. This here is the clip, and it's just as easy as pushing this down, this button down here, and then you can slide this to move it around to length. Now I have left these hanging like this. I haven't had any problems with jump roping with these, but you can't cut it, and I did try cutting it. You can see here where I tried to cut it, it cut through the rubber on the outside, but there's a really thick metal wire on the insides, and my wire cutters are dull and it wouldn't cut. I mean, I tried multiple times. As you can see, there's some cuts here, and I think there's one here that I tried. Couldn't cut it, so I'd have to get better wire cutters, but you are going to need some really good wire cutters to cut through this if you wanted to. It has measurements here to help you, so that way if you are multiple people using it, you know where to put it when you're adjusting it for each person as they're jump roping. It does come with these end caps that are really easy to take on and off, so if you do cut it, you don't have to worry about sharp edges, hitting you. But then again, like I want to point out that I've left this hanging like this on both, and they don't hit me. It doesn't affect me jump roping with them. I haven't had any issues with it. One thing that I want to point out here is, okay, so here's the screen. You can just push the button and just push it once, and you can do freestyle, which watch 1 jump rope, 2, 3. See how it's counting? I mean, it counts pretty good. This is the only downfall that I don't like of this. So there is an app that you can sync with this, the RENPHO app. The downfall of this jump rope is, yes, you can pick it up, turn it on, and just start jumping, and it counts your jump ropes. The problem is if you didn't go to the app before you start the jump rope and set it up through the app, then you can't sync. Like, I actually, just before doing this review, played around with it again, and I did 100. I jumped 100 times on this thing, and then went to the app and started to play around with the app, trying to get it to sync, basically log my 100 jumps that I just did, and it won't. And if you select an exercise through the app, like let's say this says 3 right now, and I go into the app, I open it up, which I'm going to add some screenshots of what I'm talking about, and let's say you select freestyle. It will automatically zero this out and then start a whole new workout, but it won't save your 100, the 100 that I had on it, or let's say the 3 here. It won't save it. So to me, that's the only downfall on this thing is, if you're buying this to log your exercises, keep a track of how long you jump rope, how much you jump rope, how many times,